In the heart of a hidden lake, the red Bigfoot roams freely, exploring the wonders of the water world with peaceful curiosity.
As the sun sets, Red Bigfoot and his wife sail gently across the lake.
When Red Bigfoot heard the news, his heart filled with joy. He held his wife with love, ready for the new life ahead. With gentle hands and a loving heart, Red Bigfoot feeds his wife sweet fruits, caring for her and their coming child. Tears of joy filled Red Bigfoot's eyes as he held his tiny son for the first time, his heart bursting with love and pride.
In the heart of the jungle, Red Bigfoot and his wife live a joyful life, full of peace, love, and harmony with nature.
Though his heart was broken, Red Bigfoot stayed strong. For his little son, he became both mother and father. With patience and love, Red Bigfoot raised his son strong, teaching him to climb trees. When the snakes attacked, Red Bigfoot stood like a wall, fighting to protect his son with fearless strength.
Red Bigfoot's world shattered as the jungle stole his son.
Alone in the silent woods, Red Bigfoot sat with a heavy heart, missing his son.
With a cry that shook the forest, Red Bigfoot left it all behind